we're here with Jana Manley, Senior Vice President at Suncoast Credit Union today. She is over marketing and digital strategy and was just talking with us about how Suncoast leverages data to create better member experiences. And so wanted to get her quick read on how we can use data better as an industry. So Jana, what's your read?
The financial service industry is exceptionally lagging in the way that it uses data to really create good outcomes for people. More so, I think, what the focus has been, and that's been just traditional banking, has been on the products or the services, but rather what's the need. And I think that the read of the industry right now is that's where there's a gap, and that's one that needs to be filled. And that's one that we're focused on at Suncoast is how do we go beyond that and really look at what is the need that we have of the member and how can we fulfill it. And we use the data points to help tell us that so that we can be more personalized in our messages, that we can meet our members where they are and when they're there. We're not perfect at that yet, but we are refining our data and our use of data to be able to do that. And like I said earlier on another discussion we had, that my goal was to be at the segment of one. Yep. So that I know one person, one need, and how do I talk to them about that need.
Yeah, and you talked about how they even expect it today, and our own research shows that too, and they even said that they would give their banks and credit unions more of their data if they knew it would result in a better experience. So that idea of the moment of one for that person it's not creepy anymore, it's expected. What do you think about that?
I think that's absolutely true, and I think that that's just years of an industry that has thought about that, right? It's a little creepy, but and years ago that might have been the case, right? But that's just not the case anymore. The retail experiences have fashioned the expectations that consumers now have of their financial services organizations. Mm-hmm. So they expect us to be able to serve them in that same way with that highly personalized experience, like the Netflix experience or the Amazon experience or even the Facebook experience. And so I think as an industry, we've just really got to be able to evolve to use the data in similar ways so that we can meet the members' needs.
Yep, absolutely. So I want to end with one last question. What's your literal read? What book have you read lately that made an impact on you? What would you recommend for everyone else watching?
Well, I guess I would say two. One was Think Like a Brand, Not Like a Bank. That hopefully would help people change the way they think about how the banking industry has typically worked. And the one that I'm currently reading is called Be the Unicorn. And it's actually focused on data and having a data mindset. And so haven't quite finished that one, so I can't tell you, but so far so good. But that's the one I'm in right now.
All right. Be a Unicorn. I'm going to go buy a copy later.
I love it.
We'll compare notes. Thank you so much, Jana. I appreciate it.
All right. Thanks.